Here we have for sale our one owner from new, December 2022, on a 72 plate Volkswagen Transporter. This is T6.1, so the facelifted 6th generation of the Volkswagen Transporter. This is a T32, which means it's got a 3.2 ton gross vehicle weight. It's got the 2-litre TDI Euro 6 diesel engine producing 150 PS, which is roughly 150 brake horsepower. That is accompanied with a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox, and this is an L1, so short wheelbase, Highline, which is the Spec Kombi van, finished in the fantastic metallic Ravenna blue. And what we're going to do in this video is have a little walk around. I'll show you the spec that you get on a Volkswagen Transporter Highline DSG Kombi of this age. We'll also talk you through all of the fantastic list of factory optional extras on this particular van, and also what we've done to it during our preparation with the body styling, etc. And we'll also talk you through the service history and have a really close look at the condition, seeing as this vehicle is currently available for sale with us here at Bridgend Van Centre. So starting here then at the rear of the vehicle, we can see that this one is spec'd with a rear glazed tailgate. So a tailgate is one door which comes up like so, and glazed, of course, meaning it has got the rear window. We can tell this is a factory rear window because it has got the rear wiper, and you can also see the heating elements there in the screen as well. There is a factory optional extra to speak of straight away at the back here, and that is the reversing camera. Really nice little feature, but you can also see you've got rear parking sensors there. They come as standard on the Highline model. You also get front parking sensors as well. If we look underneath, you can also see that there is tow bar preparation here with 13-pin electrics, and that tells us again that it's another optional extra, and that is it has got the factory detachable tow bar, which is just here over to the left hand side behind the toolkit, which is in the correct place. Inside the back of the van then, some changes here over factory. So during our preparation, or part of the styling package and that we do on these vans, is a full carpet lining job. There will be some Kombi insulation behind here as well, which really helps to deaden down sound. And then to the roof, we have got this full suede headlining with the LED spotlights there as well. But paying close attention to the condition in the back of here, you've got this nice soft touch rubber flooring in the back, which is all in lovely condition. You can also see plenty of tie down points there as well to tie any cargo down in the back. And inside the tailgate, that is all carpet lined as well. But yeah, looking in the back of here, all lovely and fresh, and in, as I say, fantastic condition inside there. Continuing then down the passenger side of the vehicle, and this is where I like to look in these reflections down the side of the van, just looking for any dents, ripples, marks, anything like that. And the first thing I would say is that all of this looks absolutely factory and original. There's no sign here of any previous paintwork or anything like that. It all looks totally original down here. The only thing I could say, there's a tiny little pin dent just there. You can just about pick it up in the reflection in the right light. That's me being very critical, of course, but like always, if there's anything I can see, I will gladly point it out. Having a look at some of the other bits which have been added here then. So we've got the fantastic gloss black 20-inch Navis Twin-5 alloy wheels. These are, of course, brand new with brand new tyres, all fully load rated for a T32 model. Absolutely love these alloy wheels. We've been fitting these to transporters now for a few years. I had these on my own transporter van. I just think they look absolutely spot on. Also got these nice black trapezoid sidebars, which I think actually tie in really well with the alloy wheels because it's got the same sort of profile as the alloy wheel. And then up at the top then is a set of roof bars as well, which have been added. If we open up the passenger side loading door, we can have a look at the rear seats then, and we've got another factory optional extra here, and that is that this one is spec'd with a 2+1 split rear seating configuration. The benefit of that is that you can operate this seat completely independently of the others. So using that handle there, you can gain access into the back, and using this tab just here, you can fold that seat completely down flat as well if you want to. You can see there's ISOFIX compatibility across all of the 3 rear seats in here. Of course, you can fold this one down as well, and the beauty really of transporter combis is all of these seats are quick release. So once you have, in this case on this one, once you've folded it up there, you pull on this handle here, and that literally releases it from the floor, and you can carry the seat out. So you can go from anything from a 2-seater to a 4-seater, a 3-seater, or a 5-seater, all completely as you would like. So lots and lots of versatility here. There's even systems like I had in my van, which go in the back of the vehicle there, which I had a Vano in mine, which means that when you fold these seats down flat, you can have a bed which goes over the top of them. It's just lots of different configurations that you've got in here. As I say, versatility is really the key word with these. But again, in terms of condition here, it's all looking absolutely spot on in the back. The floor, the plastics here, there's no issues there. It's all looking very nice indeed. Having a close look at the step, of course you're going to get a little bit of wear just here on the step where you're walking in and out, but yeah, generally speaking, all very clean and tidy inside here. Opening up the passenger door then, again having a look at the front seats here. This one of course is set up as a 5-seater, and there's some more optional extras on this as well to speak of. So this one has actually got factory swivel seats. The giveaway is that factory swivel seats do not have height adjustment. So the little bar around the front here, if I slide this seat a little bit further forward, little bar around the front, you can then swivel that seat all the way around. Again, a really nice factory optional extra to have on the van. Really, this has got just about everything on it. I think if I was speccing a transport, if I could go back in time and spec a T6.1 myself, I don't think I would spec it any differently to how this one is spec'd. So already in the back of here, 2+1 swivel seat. We've got the reversing camera. It's actually got it's got twin side loading doors, which is an option extra, but this one has actually got power latching side loading doors, which means they've got soft closure. So if the door is not quite all the way closed, it has then got that soft closure which will take over. But there's more optional extras to speak of as we go around. So around to the front then, having a look at the front of this van, some nice bits that we have changed here. So we've got full gloss black grills here, so gloss black upper grills, gloss black lower grills, and also the gloss black lower splitter. So all of that is brand new and fitted to the van. And in terms of condition here, it's in fantastic order here at the front. You've got a couple of little stone chips, which of course you're going to expect here or there, but generally speaking, not much to fault at all. So you're going to get a few stone chips. That is just natural really on any used van, particularly one of this age and mileage, but this one is very good. As I mentioned a bit earlier, you do get front parking sensors as standard, and this one has actually got LED headlights, so factory LED headlights. I've said many times in videos before, if I was ever speccing one of these, that is the first option I'm looking for, and speccing on a T6.1 gives you this lovely LED daytime running light, but much better performing headlights than the standard headlights. Down the driver's side then, so as I mentioned, the factory extra of twin side loading doors, just such a desirable option to have on these. Obviously why? Because it just allows you to load in passengers from either side, especially if you've got children. This makes a world of difference. If you've got a child seat here, you can very easily load them into either side of the vehicle. But even if it's not for children and grown-ups are going to be sitting in the back of here, it just makes life so much easier than having to climb across from the other side. So again, a really nice desirable extra, and I say the fact that they're power latching as well is a very nice touch. Having a look then, the condition here down the driver's side, absolutely spot on again. Just nothing to fault there. It's absolutely as you would like to see it. So let's have a look inside here, inside the cab. So floor, driver's seat, again you've got the swivel driver's seat as well, so you pull that seat forward, get it in the right position, but you can swivel that one around as well. So again, really nice extra, that one. Up on top of here then, you've got electric windows, electric heated folding mirrors, you've got auto lights, auto wipers, 2 full flip remote keys come with the vehicle as well. Leather multifunctioning steering wheel, you've got your cruise control, adaptive cruise control I should say, on the left hand side, volume controls on the right hand side. 55,261 miles recorded. You can see no warning lights or anything like that on the dashboard. Another optional extra on this one then, this one's got the Discover Media satellite navigation. So a couple of benefits of that. One, of course, you have got satellite navigation. Sorry, stop recording there for a second. So a couple of benefits then. It gives you this nice flat screen. It gives you, of course, satellite navigation, but crucially, it gives you wireless Apple CarPlay, so wireless App Connect. So once you've got your phone connected to this via Bluetooth, I say it will just automatically connect and you can start using your phone on there straight away. Down below then, another optional extra, it has got heated seats as well. I think that is the last optional extra on this van, but that, as I say, is about everything you can put on these. So it's a really nice, again, optional extra there, heated seats as well. That fantastic DSG automatic gearbox. You've of course got air conditioning, heated rear screen, heated front windscreen, a couple of USB-Cs down there as well if you want to plug a phone in. Also, and I haven't mentioned service history, so this van has been covered. It says one owner from new, and that one owner from new has had this van covered under a Volkswagen service plan from brand new. So we have got record of 3 previous Volkswagen services that have been carried out on this van. They've also done the DSG oil service, so they've done brake fluid changes, but yeah, I say the DSG oil service is a crucial one, and that, I'm pleased to say, has been done, and we've got record of that. The most recent service was done in December of 2025, only maybe a couple of thousand miles ago. So it is, I say, recently done, and not going to have to do that again any time soon. But what a beautiful example in arguably the best color. I had a T6.1 myself in this color, Ravenna blue. I think it is such a fantastic color, especially with nice gloss black elements like this, the carpet lining of course in the back, and just one of the ultimate lists of factory optional extras on this van. Full Volkswagen history, one owner from new. It really has got everything going for it, this T6.1. If you'd like to see the full advert, if you haven't seen it already, you can head over to our website, bridgeendvans.co.uk. That's where you'll find the price, the description, and the photography of this van, and of course all of the others that we've currently got advertised. We can take cars or vans in part exchange. We can deliver our vehicles nationwide, and we can also arrange finance at very competitive rates, whether it be for private individuals or for limited companies, of course subject to status. Thank you very much for watching.